Welcome to English audiobook The Little Book of Psychology by Emily Rawls and Caroline Riggs would involve a deep dive into the main themes and key insights of the book. Psychology, the scientific study of the mind and behavior, has long fascinated both scholars and the general public. The Little Book of Psychology by Emily Rawls and Caroline Riggs provides an accessible and engaging overview of key psychological concepts, theories, and figures that have shaped the field. This book aims to distill complex ideas into digestible bites, making it an excellent starting point for anyone interested in understanding the intricacies of human behavior. Exploring the mind. One of the foundations of psychology. Psychology's roots can be traced back to ancient philosophy, but it emerged as a distinct scientific discipline in the late 19th century. Key figures such as Wilhelm Wundt, who is often considered the father of modern psychology, established the first psychology lab in 1879. The book discusses the evolution of psychology from its philosophical beginnings to a rigorous scientific field, highlighting the contributions of pioneers like Wundt, William James, and Sigmund Freud. Two major schools of thought. The book delves into the major schools of thought that have shaped psychology over the years. These include psychoanalysis. Founded by Sigmund Freud, this approach emphasizes the influence of the unconscious mind on behavior. Behaviorism, championed by John B. Watson and B. F. Skinner. Behaviorism focuses on observable behaviors and the ways they're learned through interaction with the environment. Humanistic psychology, Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow emphasized personal growth and self-actualization, offering a more positive view of human nature. Cognitive psychology. This approach studies mental processes such as perception, memory, and problem-solving. Understanding behavior. 3. Developmental psychology. Developmental psychology explores how people grow and change throughout their lives. The book highlights influential theories such as John Piaget's stages of cognitive development and Erik Erikson's psychosocial stages. It also covers modern research on childhood development and the impact of nature versus nurture. 4. Social psychology. This field examines how individuals influence and are influenced by others. The book discusses landmark studies like Stanley Milgram's obedience experiments and the Stanford Prison Experiment by Philip Zimbardo. It also explores concepts like conformity, group dynamics, and the bystander effect. Emotions and mental health. 5. Emotions and motivation. Understanding what drives human behavior is central to psychology. The book covers theories of emotion, including the James Lange and Cannon-Bard theories, as well as Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which outlines the stages of human motivation from basic survival to self-actualization. 6. Mental health and disorders. The Little Book of Psychology provides an overview of various mental health conditions, including anxiety disorders, depression, and schizophrenia. It discusses diagnostic criteria, treatment approaches, and the importance of reducing stigma associated with mental illness. The application of psychology. 7. Applied psychology. Psychology isn't just an academic discipline, it has practical applications in everyday life. The book explores fields such as clinical psychology, focused on diagnosing and treating mental health disorders. Educational psychology, examining how people learn and the best practices for teaching. Industrial organizational psychology, applying psychological principles to workplace environments to improve productivity and employee well-being. 8. The future of psychology. As the field of psychology continues to evolve, new areas of research emerge. Topics such as positive psychology, which focuses on strengths and well-being, and neuropsychology, which examines the relationship between brain function and behavior, are at the forefront of current psychological research. Closing thoughts. The Little Book of Psychology serves as an informative and engaging primer on the vast field of psychology. By breaking down complex ideas into easily understandable segments, Rawls and Riggs make psychology accessible to a broad audience. Whether you're a student of psychology or simply curious about human behavior, this book offers valuable insights into the workings of the mind and the factors that shape our actions.